Good morning, everyone. So here we have Vikramjit Singh, Amarjot Kaur, and one Mr. Manisha Arora. Some name. Okay. Very good morning. So as we have discussed, today we will discuss some questions from the NCERT exemplar. My very first question to you, that is regarding a linear question, that is first question is equation is 3x minus y is equal to x minus 1 has how many solutions? This equation is having how many solutions? So here we have Ajay Veer Singh, also Vijot Singh, right? Next one, here a linear question, a linear question is so Harleen Kaur, welcome in today's class. Very good morning, right? So I have discussed yesterday if a linear equation, that is what is the condition for ax plus b y plus c is equal to 0. The condition is that a cannot be equal to 0 and b is, this is the condition. I have given the answer already in the MCQ form, right? So here a cannot be 0 and b cannot be 0. A and b, right? So first question, how many solutions? For first question, there are infinite many solutions. Infinite many solutions, right? Because the linear equation in two variables represents a straight line and every point on the line represents its, that is its solution. So infinite many solutions. Very right, Harleen. Infinite many solutions. Okay. Now any equation, any linear equation in two variables, like here they have given one example, like 2x minus 5y is equal to 11. So this equation is also having infinite many solutions. When we have the linear equation in two variables, that is always having infinite many solutions, right? We are just finding 2, 3 to plot them on the graph, but they have infinite many solutions. So very right, Abhijot, infinite many solutions in the first questions, right? Now let's take the next question. Next question is question number 3. If 2, 0, 2 and 0 is the solution of, is a solution of the linear equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to k, then find the value of k, then find k. Question number 4. A solution of linear equation. What is the solution of linear equation? What is the solution? What is the solution of the solution of the linear equation, that is 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal to 0 is, what is the solution of the linear equation 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal to 0 is, so here we have k is 4. Okay, how k is 4? When we substitute the value, point is 2 and 0. When we substitute the value 2 into 2 plus 3 into 0 is equal to k. So we have k is equal to 4. Very right. 2 into 2, that is 4. So value of k that is 4. Second question. Second question, what is the solution? Here, what we have 2x. This is the equation. In this form, x is equal to a form. The line parallel to y-axis is line parallel to y-axis. Right? X is confirmed. You can have any value. Right? X is confirmed. You can have any value. Y can have any value. Y can be 1, Y can be 2, 3, 4, so on. Right? But X confirmed minus 4.5. What is the value of X? Minus 4.5. Right? So this is about this. So next question. Let's take few questions. Okay. The point 03 on the graph of linear equation, you have to just justify you have to show that the points A point is 1 and 2, B point that is minus 1 minus 16, C and C 0, minus 7 lies on the graph of the linear equation, lies on the graph of linear equation, that is y is equal to 9x minus 7. One more question. Following observed value of x, y are thought to satisfy the linear equation. Write the linear equation. Question number 2. Next question is, you have the graph here. You have to frame the linear equation. This is a new thing. X, y. So here One is minus 2, 6 and minus 6, comma 6. Here you have to, write the linear equation. Write the linear equation. Next question. Write the linear equation. Draw a graph of linear equation. At what point the graph cuts the x-axis and y-axis? Important question. Draw the graph. Draw the graph of the linear equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. At what point? At what point at what points the graph cuts? At what point the graph cuts the x-axis and y-axis? Cuts the x-axis and y-axis. You have to plot the graph and you have to plot the graph and then check where the graph that is cutting your x-axis and intersecting x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So yes, anyone who has got the first one, show the points. So here one by one we will substitute the value. Here y is 2, and here we will check 9, x is 1, minus 7. So here 2 is equal to 2. So this first point, it lies on the graph, because when we substitute the value here, y is equal to 2 and x is 1, so here 2 is equal to 9 minus 7, so 2 is equal to 2. So a point lies. Second, point is minus 1. If y is minus 16, y is minus 16 is equal to 9 into minus 1 minus 7. So this point also, minus 16 is equal to minus 9 minus 7. So this implies that minus 16 is equal to minus 16. So this point also lies on, point B also lies on the graph. This is the point. Solution of the linear equation y is equal to 9x minus 7. Right? This is also the linear equation, the solution of the linear equation. The third one is 0 minus 7. Right? 0 minus 7. So 0 minus 7, 0 minus 7, right? So here x is 0, y is minus 7. So minus of 7, y is minus 7 is equal to 9 into minus 7. Sorry, it is 0 only, x is 0, minus 7. So all 3 points, they lies on the graph, right? All the 3 points, very right, Arjun, all points lies on the line that is y is equal to 9x minus 7. Okay, or we can say that all these 3 points, they are the solution of this line. Okay, if we have a line, that is point one point is x is 6, y is minus 2, and one more point y is minus 2, and one more point q point, the point is minus 6 and 6. So how we write the equation? Yes. So here is a little hard question, but anyhow, we have to plot the graph. One line, that is 1.6 minus 2, and because here what is the relation between, if x is 6, y is minus 2, right? So here what is the relation that satisfies both? One is your so here what we, so here what we have, the one point is 6 and 2, what's the relation, the common relation between them? One is x, if we have simply like in the ratio, one is 3, one is minus 1, right? So here one is x, one is x, 3x, and one is y, 3x minus here. So you can frame, although in your higher classes we are plotting the graph and we are finding that y2 minus, there is a slope in this form m. Generally equation can be written as y is equal to mx plus c. Here c is the constant term, right? Like previous equation I have written, y is equal to mx plus c. M is always y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? And c is the this slope intercept. So in this way also you can write, but here we will apply just some rule, the rule which is applying to both, right? So although it is not the easy one, you have to just go through. Like we are saying, what is the relation to both, right? So although it is not the easy one, you have to just go through. Like we are saying, what is the relation? X is, what is x plus y? X plus y here is, here x plus y is 0 and x plus y is 4. So this cannot be the there. Let's take the ratio like 3x. So it will be difficult to make the equations, like x is equal to minus of, x is equal to minus of 3 3y, x is minus of 3y, 3 2s are 6, right? So here y is minus minus 32. But what in this case? If it is x minus of 3 into, so it is not possible in this way, right? So linear equation we will frame in the this way. If 2 points are there, 1 point is here, 1 point is here. So the equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. M is the slope. M is the slope, right? But it is not in your syllabus here. In higher classes, you will study this. This is your slope intercept form, right? So I will see this question if possible in some other way, right? So next question, draw graph of the linear equation. You have to plot the graph of the linear equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. 4y is equal to 6. So when we plot the graph, we can write either x in terms of y, 6 minus 4y divided by 3, right? 6x minus 4y divided by 3. So here, how many solutions we can have? Minimum 2 solutions. Yes. Find the solutions. Sir, please explain question number 2. I don't understand this question. But there is a hot question. See one thing. In the second question, we have given the points. Okay. Coordinates are given. Coordinates are, one is your 6 minus 2 and minus 6 comma 6, right? So here, if you want to find the equation of line, right, we have some different rules, different ways, but these are not in grade 9. Generally, you will study in NCERT or grade 11. Okay, so there we are studying that the equation can be written as y is equal to mx plus c, where m is called the slope of line. Is called the slope of the line. So here we have given the vertices. How to find the slope? M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So how to find this m here? M here is y2 minus y1. 6 minus that is 8, and here x2, that is minus of 6 minus of 6, 12. So we have here m is equal to 8 upon minus 12, right? So 4 to the 8, 4 3s are 12, right? So what is the slope? That is m is equal to minus 2 by 3, right? The slope of the line, that is, so equation of the line. And what is c? C is called the slope that is the line where it intersect y-axis, right? So we will plot these points on the graph right here. We will plot these points. See roughly, let me take 1 point is 6 2, x is 6, 1 point is here, another point is x is minus 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and y is 6. So here is the point. When we join the line, suppose here is the point. This point y on y-axis is called C. This point is called C here. So what is the equation of line? That is C is, if it is passing from 2, so we have y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus C is 2 or 2 or 1.5, that is 3.2. This is the equation of line. M is the slope, okay, but what I am telling you people that this is not the part of your syllabus, not in grade 9, not in grade 10. Grade 11, we will study these kind of questions, these kind of form. That is slope intercept. This is the equation of line. Equation of line, point, slope form. Okay. So here, don't worry, it is a horse. This question is from your that NCERT examiner. I am again telling, I will check some other way we can do this question. Okay. So thank you. So we are doing the question here. So we have the equation that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. So here we can write x is equal to, that is 6 minus 4y divided by 3. What is 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. So we have written x is equal to 6 minus 4y divided by 3. So we are interested to find the minimum two solutions. So here if y is 0, x is 2. What is y? If y is 0, x is 2 here. So same, take one more solution. So here, if we took y, if y is equal to 3, so 12 minus 6, so it is minus 2. So we will plot the graph. Right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. 2, this is the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. 2, this is the x-axis. X dash, y dash. See? So here, so here there is minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5, minus 6, right? So here we have to plot these 2 points. One is x2 and y0. One is this point here. What is, and another point is minus 2. Here if minus 2, x is minus 2 and y is 3. X is 2, y is 3. So when we join, as I have discussed with you, we have, this is the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. So one on x-axis, this line is set, that is 2 comma 0, and same you can tell here exactly when you plot the graph, you will find the exact number how to. Okay, so take few more questions. Next question is, a very good question about Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. A preliminary question of convert Fahrenheit to Celsius is given by the relation. You can solve it. The relation is given that C is equal to, question number 4 is the Celsius scale, that is given 5 Fahrenheit minus 160 upon 9. First question is, if the temperature is, if the temperature is 86 degree Fahrenheit, find the temperature in Celsius scale. Find the temperature in Celsius scale. Second one, if the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, find the temperature in Fahrenheit scale. Third, if the temperature is 0 degree in the Fahrenheit, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, right? Find the temperature in Celsius scale. And the fourth one, what is the numeral value of temperature which is same in both the scales, both the scales. Here, this Celsius scale is equal to 5 times Fahrenheit scale minus 160 upon 9. Relation is given. You have to find first temperature is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Find the temperature in Celsius scale. First part. Second, 35 degree Celsius is given. Find the temperature in the Fahrenheit scale. Right? So next here, 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in the Fahrenheit scale? And if The temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit. What is the temperature in the Celsius scale? And the last fourth part is what is the numeral value of temperature which is same in both the scales, both Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. So here they have given first part that the Celsius scale that is equal to 5 times the Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is 86 minus of 160 divided by 9, right? So here 8 5 is that is not 8 5 is 5 6 is 33 43 60 upon 9. So here the number is 0, right? 30 minus 6 that is 7 and 3 minus 1 is 2, 70 upon 9. So here 9 3 is 27. So here when the temperature is 86 degree Fahrenheit, in Celsius scale temperature is that is 30 degree Celsius. 30 degree Celsius means 86 degree Fahrenheit temperature is equal to 30 degree centigrade or Celsius, right? Please check. Okay, first one, third part, first part is 95. Very right, Harjot, it is 30 degree Celsius. Then second 95 degree Fahrenheit. So you can solve in this way. Second is 35 degree. (35) is equal to 35 into 9 is equal to 5 times F minus 160. So here this implies that 5F is equal to, will multiply here 9, that is 45 for 27. 27 plus 4, that is 31 plus 160, and in the Fahrenheit scale the answer that is divided by 5. So we have 5 here, 7 and that is 4. So 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 2, so 25, 5. So in Fahrenheit scale 95 degree. So Harjot, very right. At 0 we have studied the relation 0 degrees Celsius that is equal to how much? Where 32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit is, that is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And if 0 degree Fahrenheit, then in Celsius scale, so you can solve again. So here Fahrenheit scale is 0. So C is equal to minus of 60 upon 9. When you can divide here, that is minus of 7 ones are 7. Then we have 7 ones are 7, right? Sorry, 9 ones are 9, and 70, 763, again 7. So it is near about minus 17 point. So in the same way, what is the nominal value of temperature which is same in both the scales? So here it is minus 17.7 near about, right? So Abhijot sir, lot of buffering is there. So other students, I don't think here it is going very smoothly. Other students, okay, minus 40 degree. Yes, very right. We can change one. You can take F is equal to, that is 5F minus, so you will find that the temperature will be 40 degree, minus 40 degree, right? So minus 40 degree is the temperature, minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, they are one and same. Okay. So thank you Harjot, there is no buffering. Here also I don't feel any problem here. Everything is very smooth in here or regarding the internet. Okay. So let's take one more two more questions. Let me give you one more question in this way. In there you have the Kelvin scale of temperature. Yesterday also I have discussed about one more scale of temperature, that is Kelvin scale of temperature, right? In chemistry we are generally talking about that scale, that is Kelvin scale of temperature. So here let me listen the question carefully and I will write. Question is, if the temperature of a liquid can be measured in Kelvin units as x degree Kelvin or in Fahrenheit units as y degree Fahrenheit, the relation between the two systems of the measurement of a temperature is given by the linear equation. If a certain liquid is there and we are measuring the temperature in two scales, one is your Kelvin scale of temperature and one is Fahrenheit, right? If they are saying the Kelvin scale, Kelvin units, Kelvin units, they are like x dash k, and Fahrenheit FA. They are y degree Fahrenheit. Then the relation is given, y is equal to 9 upon 5 x minus 273 plus 32. The relation is given. You have to find the temperature of the liquid in Fahrenheit. The temperature of the liquid is 330 Kelvin. First part, find the temperature in Fahrenheit scale. In Fahrenheit, if the liquid temperature is 313 degree Kelvin. Second is, if the temperature is in the Fahrenheit, temperature is 158 degree, find the temperature in Kelvin scale. Find the temperature in the Kelvin scale. So 1 degree, no, it is not the Celsius, it is only Fahrenheit. Okay, Harjot, you are right, but we are not dealing here in this question with the Celsius scale. You are right that 1 degree Celsius and 273 Kelvin, okay, it is 0 degree, or sorry, 1 degree Celsius, or it is 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. You can just check, Harjot, if you are listening, bache, it is 0 degree Celsius or it is 1 degree, which is equal to 273 Kelvin. You can just check. Okay, I hope according to my knowledge it is 0 degree, but here the question is related only with the Kelvin scale of temperature and Fahrenheit scale of temperature. They are not using the Celsius scale of temperature, right? They are just using the Fahrenheit and the Kelvin, and you can just substitute the value and find this this question, right? So I hope this is sufficient for today's class. So very soon we will be in the school. Okay, as yesterday, you know that. So with this, thank you very much. God bless you all. So I am saying very soon we will meet in the school. Okay, as recently we have the permission to from the Punjab government that 5 to 12 schools they will open. So with this, thank you very much.